Hey, Woody.
What are you doing up here? I thought Mom took you to get your squeaker fixed months ago. Andy was so upset.
Nah, she just told him that to calm him down. Then put me on the shelf.
Well, why didn't you yell for help?
Well, I tried squeaking, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me. Besides, the dust aggravates my condition. What's the point in prolonging the inevitable? We're all just one stitch away from here to there.
Yard sale. Yard sale! Yard sale! Guys, wake up, wake up! There's a yard sale outside!
Yard sale?
Sarge, emergency roll call!
Sir, yes, sir! Red alert! All civilians follow in position now! Single file! Let's move, move, move!
Ma'am, here. Potato Head, Mr. and Mrs.
Here.
Trickus. Check, 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 check.
I hate yard sales! Ah! Someone's coming!
Okay, let's see what's up here.
Bye, Woody.
Wheezy! Think, Woody. Think. Oh! Oh! Hey, here, boy! Here, Buster! Up here! No! Okay, boy, to the yard sale! Yeah! What's going on? He's nuts!
His arm ain't that bad.
Don't do it, Woody! We love you! Careful on the steps now.
Hi, can I help you?
Okay, boy, let's go. And keep it casual. Not that casual.
Piggy bank coming through.
Is he out there?
There he is.
He's getting in the box! He's selling himself for 25 cents!
Oh, Woody, you're worth more than that.
Hold on. He's got something. It's Wheezy!
Wheezy?
Hey! It's not suicide! It's a rescue! Good boy, Buster. Hold still. There you go, pal.
Bless you, Woody.
All right, now, back to Andy's room. Yeah!
Way to go.
Yeah!
Bob, howdy.
Woody, I'm slipping.
Mommy, look at this! Mommy, look, it's a cowboy dolly!
No. What's that little gal think she's doing?
Mommy, can we get it, please? Mommy, please?
You don't want that toy. It's broken.
There's a snake in my boot.
Original hand-painted face. Natural dyed blanket stitched vest. Little rip. Fixable. Oh, if only you had your hand-stitched polyvinyl hat. I found him!
Buster! Quiet down! Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, you can help take his paws off my pal.
I'll give you 50 cents for all this junk.
Oh, now, how did this get
Just
down
hand her
here?
the sheriff. Nice and easy.
Very well. $5.
I'm sorry, it's an old family toy.
Now just walk away.
Wait.
The other way.
I'll give you $50 for it.
$50 ain't bad.
Not for sale.
Everything's for sale. Or trade. You like my watch?
Sorry.
He's safe.
Way to go, Andy's move!
All right, she showed him.
Molly, don't touch that, sweetie.
Yeah, go home, Mr. Fancy Car.
Hold on.
What's up?
Molly.
What is it, Buzz?
Molly, upside there, sweetie.
What's happening down there?
Why would someone steal Woody?